Hi guys, I'm Hitesh and today I'm here with this product which is a Replicator and this is Replicator review. Now what is Replicator going to do for you? What type of the problems this will solve? Actually it will increase one more source of income for you. So what it will do, actually the world's first system it is which pays you when other people download free application from this secret platform, not this secret platform, from secret platform you will know inside the member access area, okay, which is here you can see. So this is the member access area you can see. Okay, we will discuss each and every feature. Okay, here you can see here is the integration. You can just put your some integration, something like get response and something like that. You can redirect for tutorials directly from here and from here also. So this is not the point, this is I'm leaving right now. We will discuss each and everything about that, but the main thing is this which I already mentioned here. Just come here through the link below and you will able to get this information which I already told you. No worry about that. Yes, we are getting paid this amount every time someone downloads a free application from our secret platform. Okay, so this secret platform you will know directly inside the dashboard. We will see what is in the dashboard, we will see what are the things available, or in tutorials you will know each and everything. Actually I don't know how to build app, I don't have experience in that particular stream. So the more we get paid, the world's first no traffic no selling system, guys. So this is the game changing, guys. Generally people is struggling, generally people are doing struggle too much for just for getting traffic. Okay, but here if you don't need to get traffic, no selling system, so you are already ahead from the crowd. Okay guys, so that's why I recommending you this replicator which will automatically replicate. Okay, what is the meaning of replication? Okay, replication means just multiplying the things. Okay guys, something like that. So I already mentioned each and every information here. Okay, just go through the link below and you will hear, you will be on this page. Bonuses I'm not introducing right now because this time so much powerful special bonuses no one will provide you which I'm providing you right now. Okay guys, so even if you have any doubt, just click any green button on the page, you can see. Okay, so much green button you will see, and when you will click green button you will redirect on the main page where you will get more in-depth information, guys. Okay, so I'm done from my side. Now come and see the dashboard. So guys, this is dashboard. Here are some integration which you can do directly from the inside, because if you will need any integration after watching tutorials, you can do that directly from here. Okay, from this button. So what is this? Copyright notice, and these are some links. Okay, no worry for that. These are some upgrades you can see. Purchased membership level, so these are some upgrades. So if you love this, you can go for this. Okay, because your so much hard work will reduce if you will go for upgrades, and so much profit you can multiply. Okay, so this is for that. So just go for the tutorials. Let's see what is going to get inside the tutorials. So I just clicked, it's going to download and upload whatever you can say, and then we will see what you are going to learn. So it is going to download. Actually this is not completely finished. Okay, this product will launch 11 a.m. EST on 29, okay, on 29th of November. So I'm already making this video before that, so it may be this product is not finished completely or not prepared completely to give you services. Okay, but no worry, I think tutorials are still not ready to add inside your member access area, but no worry, tutorials will be added. Okay, so I'm just going back again, and we are back again, guys. You can see, so here is the products. It may be some done for you things for uh some done for you things to just use. Okay, so here are some products you can see, and what you will do. Okay, you can just create your own product also if you want to do that. So I will show you how to create that. We will see, because I don't know these things too much, but why I will try. Obviously I will try. So these are some product you can just view, edit, delete, or actually why this is welcome to replicator app. And for example, if I click edit, so let's see what will happen, and later we will click on that button which is create, and let's see what will happen. Create product, something like that. So this is product name, this is product detail, about the product. Okay guys, so this is about affiliate marketing, guys, so you can do that directly, affiliate marketing. So I think you can just okay, this is apply link. So actually product affiliate links, product site settings, what you can do by using this list 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay guys, so you can just do email marketing from here directly, you can say, because I shown you integration option here, which you will do for your get response or any tool which you have. And from here you will just select the list. If you want all list, you can do that also directly. You will start from here and some affiliate links, some apply links, headlines. Okay guys, so this is not so much important things. So I'm just going to back, and you can just play around with this two option. And these are some more options. So actually you have to just do for email marketing, and you can just put some this type of the things, and this product will do, this tool will do automatically for you email marketing. But let's see, and later we will search for more. Okay, so how you will do all these things. So create product, product name. And actually guys, tutorials is not right now uploaded, but you will get main important point directly from the tutorial. Okay, these are some extra advanced feature for email marketing and something like that. You can put your affiliate link here. Okay, apply link, you can apply for that. Okay, if you want. So it may be for, you can just directly do from here anything, and you can just provide any services. This is something like that. And so I'm just leaving this because this is not too much important thing. So let's see site traffic. So what is coming? Let's see, name, position, preview, message, general setting. Okay, play around option like side ads. Okay, this is about something like AdSense. Yes, this is something like AdSense. You can see bullet ads, banner ads, see bottom banner setting. Okay, this is something like that. Feature product, top app product. I want this, and so much advanced things. You can just put your links. Okay, so someone will come to you and you will get some more traffic. Not only traffic, you will get some followers also. And obviously you will get traffic because if you are doing your product promotion on your this social media, so you will get traffic also directly from this. Integration auto responder, as I already told you. Site setting, free setting, sorry, free traffic, site setting, I already told you. So this is for monetization guys. And let's say about free traffic, what is coming in front of you guys. Main point you will get directly in the tutorial. Okay, I'm just repeating because right now I'm showing you each and every feature, and apart from that, each and every feature is advanced for email marketing, for monetization, something like that. So you can directly play around directly from the inside. So you will learn each and everything in tutorial, and tutorials are not uploaded because this product is not launched yet. It will launch later at 11 a.m. EST. So this is free traffic. You will learn directly from inside. This is 2-minute video. And okay, here's some button also. Here you will go to the bottom. Okay, so so much options you are going to get, some links. And I'm not going which these links because I already know this, but just for showing you, I'm just providing you. This is affiliate traffic lab. Just because of this, you will get so much traffic. I already shown you so much people before, because in some other products I got this option. So that is why this is step 2. Again, you will get some viral news jacker. So what you can do by using this, you can create your news website. Okay, so you will start getting traffic. Okay, so that's how I think you will just combine all these functions together. This is about news, this is traffic, and when you will get your secret application downloading platform with this traffic, and if someone will download that application from your secret platform, you will get paid. So that's how this complete system will work. Okay guys, that's how you need to understand complete thing. So this is viral jacker. You can see here direct guys, affiliate traffic lab. Just do sign up. Okay, it's too much simple, and that's it. You will go ahead. Okay, it's not too much difficult things. Okay, so with all these links you have to do same things. Your traffic training is here. Just get your training and just go ahead, click here to submit the form for traffic. Okay, so let me just show you what is inside this. Your traffic guide is here. Nice guy, nice guys, download free traffic guide. Okay, so it will help you for getting traffic and all. Bonus number 1, access of product wall, zero cost business startup guys. Okay, so this is free traffic guys. Just put your information in this form and just submit. Links you want to send, just put your link. Okay, it may be a secret platform also, so that's why you don't need traffic. Okay, which I already shown you on my page. See, no traffic, no selling system, you can see. Okay, why? Because this product, actually this thing will already work for you. Okay, so that's how you will not need any traffic. But no worry, we will just see more things what is inside. And just you can just come inside and you can just go with all these links, and you can just play around all with these options which you are going to get inside. So free traffic, now these are some upgrades. Upgrade membership, help, FAQs. So this is not much important things. Much important things will be in tutorials main point. Okay, which I already told you about. Secret platform, from where people will download your applications, and you will just bound up, you will just combine together all these things. Which products means, which I already told you, which you, products will be with affiliate links, and you can just combine all this complete system. This is site setting about monetization. Okay, some blogs, and you can just put your product review also on that traffic, on that, sorry, website, and you can just monetize. You will get traffic from here, which I already shown you. This is free traffic, and you can just combine together all your secret platform. Okay, and that's how you will start getting traffic. And if someone will download any app from this secret platform, you will get paid. So just come and meet my bonuses, guys. Okay, so this is time to meet my bonuses. So this is the replicator, which I already told you what this product is going to do. You can just come on this page through the link below. You can just read, click any green button. If you have any doubt, just come on the main page. Here you will get more information. Now this is my special bonus, guys, which you will never get from anywhere. This is FOMO, fear of missing out. Now what this product is going to do, you will get traffic from 4 special platform. Number one is Pinterest. Pinterest is not only social media, that is again a search engine, which I already told 1,000 times. Second one is Instagram. Third one is Snapchat, guys. Snapchat traffic no one is doing, guys. You need to understand this thing. If you will go with this, you will just leave the crowd, because Snapchat traffic is no one is doing good in that. So you will get already all these things inside. Number 4 will be Quora traffic. So this 4 traffic, you will learn how to get inside this product. Okay, so special condition, obviously I will put a special condition because I paid for this. I am providing you this for as a bonus. Okay, so just read this line. Okay, after this you will not be eligible to get this. Okay, because this is special, very special. Now this is traffic jacker. Okay, this is for CPA, because if you will learn all free traffics and all these things which I already shown you here, obviously you will just start making money. Because if someone will click on your link, even you will get paid, because this is CPA, more easy than affiliate marketing. Okay, guys. Now this is Orion, newly launched product in the same this year. Okay, and people are still buying this. Okay, and audience is still using this one for by just purchasing. So this is powerful. Okay, you can just go outside and you can just check about it. Now this is Alpha. Again, this is a strong and powerful bonus which you will never get with this replicator product. And this is again newly launched in 2021. This all four bonuses are, guys, special bonuses. Okay, number one bonus is only mega ultra bonus, which I don't provide anyone. This time I'm providing you only, and this will be applicable only for first 7 hours from 11 a.m. EST, 29th of November. Okay, and after that you have to just count 7 hours and this bonus will go. Okay, guys. So this will be your complete replicator package. Okay, so replicator will do its own work. All bonuses will do their own work. And that's how you will make so much resources of money. Okay, guys, that's how you need to see the things. And then you will be able to make profits, bonuses, and monies, and whatever you can say. So I'm done from my side. If you have any doubt, you can just connect to me. And guys, always remember, for the bonuses, you have to contact me. Okay, I don't put my bonuses with the link. Okay, so just contact me after purchasing. You can send me the receipt and I will send you your bonuses within 24 hours. Thank you, guys.